Piny owacho e bwo Coast Water Works Development Agency sani dhi nyime kod chenro mar keto sola e kar keyo pi mar Baricho mantiere kaonti ma Kilifi, ma bende geto duoko chien kwan omenda ma gisebedo ka gichulo kambi mar Kenya Power e keyo pi e gwenge mag Mombasa kod Kilifi. Jata chenro mag gedono Medusa David Kanui wacho ni Coast Water osebedo ka chulo Kenya Power omenda maromo shillings milion 60 dwe ka dwe, ka koro gigeno geno margi en ni omenda no biro dok chien kod milion 10 ka gedono oserumo.
Over the past, we have had a lot of challenges with the Kenya Power because of the high electricity bills, because this water is pumped from the boreholes, then it is pumped again to the consumers in Mombasa and Kilifi counties. Currently, the bill is about 60 million shillings per month, but World Bank agreed to finance this as part of the Water and Sanitation Development Project, WSDP. We negotiated and they agreed to do this solar power plant so that it can reduce the power bill for this plant. We expect that this project, after it is completed, the power bill will reduce by 10 million shillings per month, which means Coast Water and the water companies and the consumers will benefit by saving that 10 million.
Chenro mar gedono ma bende osere gi bengi mar piny ngima kata World Bank ne ochakore dwe mar 10 higa mokalo, kendo biro muonyo omenda maromo shillings milion 670 e tielo mokwongo.
Currently it's completed 60%. It's still work in progress. By the end of this month we should commission the first phase of it, the first phase of phase 1, and then now we can now finish the other one by mid-February. The purpose of this particular project is to cut costs, to lower the operational cost for the Coast Water and the pumping that is going on from here. We believe that once this is operational, it's going to help the organizations be profitable and more sustainable.
Mane mabino kilo giko mag weche mago matuche kor gwenge gi